My name is Daphna Shimon. I'm a senior lecturer at Hebrew University. In my lab, we study nuclear magnetic resonance, NMR, and I also work on a technique called dynamic nuclear polarization, DNP, which enhances the NMR signal using electron spins. Our biggest project now is working on DNP using diamonds. We have diamond powder. If you replace one carbon with a nitrogen, you end up with an extra electron, which we use for DNP. And then we're using that to really learn about how DNP works in materials, how the electrons talk to the nuclei. One of the big things that we saw in the diamonds was that a lot of times the nitrogen nuclei are not spread out evenly throughout the diamond. They kind of end up in clusters, and that's something that we kind of predicted, and then through other collaborations we're able to measure directly. And so that was a big thing for the DNP of diamonds, because people didn't know that these clusters were forming, and it's important for other people that use diamond samples to know that this is happening. The other project that we're working on a lot is these pigments. We have a powder of colorful pigments, some kind of inorganic mineral and a polymer, and we're looking at how they mix. And that's to understand acrylic paints, how they dry and how to take care of them in long term and how to store them. So we need to understand what's happening during the mixing of the paint when the artist is creating the paint, and then understand what happens to the paint later so that we can preserve it. The generous donation by the Zuckerman Foundation really helped me buy this equipment. It's a really unique instrument because we're able to irradiate and detect electron spins and irradiate and detect nuclear spins at the same time during the same experiment. And there's only a few like this in the world, really designed specifically to study how the spin physics works. I did my undergraduate degree in chemistry at Tel Aviv University, and then I moved to Weizmann Institute to do my master's and my PhD in chemical physics. After that, I went to 2 postdocs abroad, one at Washington University in St. Louis in chemistry again, and then the other one at Dartmouth College in New Hampshire. And then I came back to Israel and joined the Hebrew University. I came back because I wanted to be in Israel. I missed being in Israel the whole time I was in my postdoc. I just wanted to come home. My group now has several students. We have a PhD student, 2 master students, and a postdoc, and so it feels like a good start to research. And it's nice that Hebrew University has a lot of diversity. There's students from abroad, all types of Israelis. It's like a family of chemists working together. My advice to students who are coming to study science is you shouldn't be afraid to go to physical chemistry to learn how to work with complicated instruments, to learn the basic physics of what's happening. You don't always have to go for what sounds cool or all the applications that everyone immediately thinks, oh, that's great. Sometimes the science is the great part, really.